How to use gift card on Starbucks app. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Starbucks application on your device. Make sure you are signed in, and if not, then go ahead and sign yourself in. Now, in order to use gift card on Starbucks app, navigate to the Cards tab, which is at the bottom of your screen. Tap on that and this will be your access point for card-related actions. Now, look for Add Card option in the Card section and just tap on it to move forward. Now, go ahead and enter the gift card number. This is the unique set of digits on your Starbucks gift card. So, if you are using a physical card, you will also need to input the 8-digit security code, which is typically found at the back of your card. And for digital cards, you can locate the CSC in the email. So, after entering all the details, what you need to do is just simply tap on the Add Card button, and this action secures your gift card information within the Starbucks app, making it all set for your next coffee or order. And that's it. Feel free to explore and enjoy the convenience of using your Starbucks gift card seamlessly to the app now. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.